We have a 36-inch CEI ceiling fan. Or we think it's CEI. I put these 36-inch Georgian blades on it. Georgian is down there. It's the one I parted out. Those are the original blades. I think they were replaced too. The bearings in this are shot. Totally shot. I mean, horrible. And you can tell because I'll know it didn't even want to spin. Not really on medium either. This thing flies though. Good high speed. This is Small's little brother. Or Small's big brother. That's what I meant to say. I can feel this across the room. Like, this is blowing more air than the silver line. I'm literally not joking. See, run on low now. Maybe. I'm gonna take another video after I spray some WD-40 in it. It's not on a variable speed. I took off the speed control. And that'll be it.